Does all cheese go well with wine?
I've always wanted to host a cheese and wine party at my home. You know, get all your family and your friends together, different types of cheese, some wine from all over the world, and find out at the end of a great night, with a lot of laughs, what's the best pairing that you can have. But there's thousands of different types of cheese and hundreds of different types of cheese in the store, not to mention thousands of types of wine. So the question is, does all cheese go well with wine? And are there like certain types of classic cheese and wine pairing that I can follow?
People think that pairing wine with cheese is a fairly easy exercise because if you look at the greatest wine regions around the world, whether it's Italy or France, they all produce cheese, and you would think that naturally they go very well together, and they do. But pairing the right cheeses, which number in the hundreds, with the right wine can be as challenging as pairing great Cantonese food with wine. Here are some tips on pairing cheese with wine. First, if you're going with strong blue cheeses, like Roquefort, then the best pairing with that kind of salty, strong flavor is a sweet wine. If you're talking about soft, creamy cheeses, a lot of that depends on maturation and age, of course, but the milder soft cheeses like Brie, the creamy ones, really go well with a lot of different types of white wine. And there are hard cheeses, of course, that many people love. They're very strong, they can be salty. You can pair them with strong flavored wines with, let's say, some residual sugar. You can also pair them with red wines, but you have to be kind of careful because strong salt with tannins can really fight against each other. So it really depends on the maturity of the cheese, as with the wine. So those are my tips, and I hope that you enjoy, in general, more white wines with cheese because that's an easier pairing than red wines.